Most of us think sustainable fashion is about big things, factories, trends, t shirts. But what if I told you that some of the most damaging fashion items are the ones you use almost every single day without ever noticing? Today, I'm sharing a few fashion facts that surprised even me. Daily use is harmless, no? Hi, I'm Arpita. I don't believe in using facts to scare or shame anyone, but I do believe in awareness that gently changes the way we look at our wardrobe and our daily habits. These facts aren't about guilt, they are about seeing what we have never been taught to see. What will you gain? New awareness about everyday clothing habits, a mindset shift, sustainability lives in daily choices, simple actions that don't overwhelm. The everyday laundry shock. Let's start with something we all do, laundry. Here's a fact most people don't know. Every time we wash synthetic clothes, they release thousands of tiny plastic fibers into water. Did you know that a single load of laundry releases as many as 700,000 microfibers? These end up in rivers, lakes, oceans, goes into the water that animals drink, water that is used for growing crops, the water we brush our teeth with. These microfibers are so small that treatment plants can't filter them out. They end up in rivers, oceans, and eventually inside fish, and yes, inside us. But washing clothes is normal, unavoidable. What if normal just needs a little awareness? When I learned this, I didn't panic. I just started washing less, using gentler cycles, and choosing natural fibers more consciously. The invisible damage of everyday innerwear. Here's another one that really made me pause: innerwear and leggings. These are items we wear almost every day, but most of them are made of synthetic blends that don't break down for decades, shed microplastics constantly, are replaced very frequently because we think of them as basic or disposable. But they are hidden, who cares? Hidden doesn't mean harmless. I started buying fewer, better quality inner layers and caring for them properly. Less shopping, less waste, more comfort. The daily dupatta or scarf reality. In our part of the world, dupattas and scarves are everyday companions. But here's the surprising part: many lightweight, colorful scarves are made of cheap synthetic that shed fibers daily through friction, are rarely repaired, are replaced often because they lose shape quickly. This scarf has been with me for many years in different forms. It carries my favorite dupattas and fabric pieces. As my style changed, I turned all my old favorites into this new scarf. It's my current favorite. It has traveled, aged, softened, and never once felt disposable. Longevity is sustainability. The real cost of daily wear thinking. The biggest problem isn't big fashion moments, it's how casually we treat everyday clothes. When something is used daily, it should be comfortable, durable, repairable, kind to the body and planet. But daily means boring. Daily can be meaningful. Daily can be intentional. Sustainable fashion isn't hiding in special occasions. It's in laundry baskets, inner layers, scarves, repeats. Once you see this, you can't unsee it. And that awareness is powerful. This week, just notice one everyday clothing habit: how often you wash, what you reach for, what lasts. No changes needed yet, just awareness. Your wardrobe isn't just what people see, it's what you live in, breathe in, and carry every day. Thank you for pausing with me today. See you soon for another gentle shift.